Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been here before. Today's look is going to be a blown out smoky eye with a few different statement colours. So I'm going to be using my neon pigments in these shades. When I thought it up, I thought, oh, it'll be nice, it'll be like a peacock kind of colours. And then I googled peacocks and I realised they're mainly blue and green. I do think that these colours go very well together, so I'm still going to use those colours. I'll just have to come up with a different name for it. I'll figure it out. So as you can see, I've done my eyebrows and my face makeup already. I've also primed my eyelids with concealer. I did set it because I had to go down to the shop quickly. So I might just put another layer on so that I can leave that unset, because I want to get as much vibrance as possible out of these neon pigments, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that with a dry base. Okay, so we've got the eyeshadow base already. I'm going to be starting with the statement colors first because I don't want it to be drowned out by the black. So I'm going to make sure I have a nice bright transition shade so that I can lay the black on top and it'll be nice and vibrant. I'm going to be starting with the pink. So I'm taking my pink pigment. This is by Helen Cosmetics. This is in the shade Neon Ruby. And I'm gonna pop that on this fluffy blending brush. So I've got 3 different ones that I'm gonna be using. And I'm just going to be applying that to the outer kind of third of the eye, because I'm going to be going pink, purple, and then blue in the center. I'm also going to be slightly winging out the eyeshadow, so I'm going to want to drag the pink out a bit further so that when I put the black on, there's still some pink there. Now I'm going to be going in with the purple shade, and this one is called Neon Orchid, and just doing the exact same thing but in the center of the eye. So it's like, yeah, so leaving enough space to be able to put the blue in the inner corner. Moving on to the blue, and this pigment is of course called Neon Blue, and just adding that into the inner third part of the crease. Now I'm going to be adding in some black, so I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Cream colour, and this is in the shade Jet, and I'm popping it on this little flat liner brush, and I'm just going to put this on as a base over my lid and up into the crease a bit, and I'm going to try blend out the black a little bit around the edges if I can, so that it makes it easier to blend once I've put the black eyeshadow down afterwards. Now I've got the black base down, I'm going to be taking a matte black eyeshadow. So I'm taking this one by Sugarpill, which is in the shade Bulletproof. Oh, my eyes are getting stuck together. And I'm putting it on this regular eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to be applying this over the top of the black that I've already put down, and using this to blend the black into the colours a bit more and make it a bit more of a smooth blend. If you need to, you can also go back in with one of the colours and just use that to help blend it out. So that's what I'm doing here with the pink. Now that the top of the eyes are done, I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the bottom of the eyes. So I'm taking these 3 domed crease brushes, and these are what I'm going to use to apply the colourful shades to the under eye. Then I'll go back in with the black, and I'll be using this angled eyeshadow brush. Okay, that's basically the eyes done. I'm just going to be adding in some colour to the waterline and some mascara and lashes and highlight. Oh wow, that is actually a lot of things to do. So for the highlighter, I'm going to go in with a few different shades because why not? For the tear duct and the brow bone, I'm going to be going in with my Lime Crime Mermaids highlight. And I'm going to be taking this shade here for the tear duct, which is called Mermaid, and this shade here for the brow bone, which is called Seashell. For my cheekbone highlight, I'm going to go in with my Lime Crime Opals highlight, going in with this shade here called Pink. Now I'm going to be bringing some colour into the waterline, so I'm going to be taking 3 different liner brushes, and I'm taking these 2 cream eyeshadows from NYX. This one's in Blueprint, this one is in Rebellious Edge, and then I don't have a pink cream color or anything like that, so I'm just going to be using my Lime Crime Velvetine, and this is in the shade Pink Velvet, and I'm just going to be applying the same colors to the waterline where I've got the other ones, so pink on the outer edge, purple in the middle, and blue in the inner, and blue on the inner third. Now last thing left to do is just to apply some mascara and some lashes. So I'm going to be using my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes, and these are in the style Exotic. And I'm just going to put these on off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, so this is the completed look with lashes. I really like this look. I really enjoy a smoky eye with a statement colour. I've done a blue one recently, and I wanted to try and add in some more colours and blend them together and see how it turned out. And I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. So I'm definitely going to add in some more colours next time and just see if I can just get as many as possible in there. Because I do love my colour. But yeah, I think this look is reasonably simple look to do. There's just a lot of blending involved. You do have to be a little bit patient if you want to get that nice even blend. So a simple look, but very effective. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications if you haven't done that already, and if you don't want to miss any videos from me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.